Picture the Islamic Golden Age, from the 8th to 14th centuries, a time when cities like Baghdad, Cairo, and Cordoba became global centers of learning. While Europe struggled through the Dark Ages, Muslim scholars translated, preserved, and expanded on ancient Greek knowledge. They didn't just accept old ideas, they experimented, observed, and documented, laying the groundwork for modern science. Biology especially flourished, as scholars studied plants, animals, and the human body with fresh eyes. Science and faith were intertwined. Understanding nature was seen as appreciating creation itself. These thinkers pioneered the scientific method, emphasizing evidence over tradition. They classified plants and animals, dissected specimens, and wrote encyclopedias that shaped future generations. Let's meet some of these remarkable minds who revolutionized biology. Their curiosity and dedication helped shape the science we know today. Their legacy reminds us that knowledge is a gift passed across cultures and centuries. Meet Jabir bin Hayyan, known in the West as Jabir, the father of chemistry. In the 8th century, he built the first real chemistry labs and insisted on experimentation to unlock nature's secrets. Jabir developed techniques like crystallization and distillation, methods still used in labs today. His work made it possible to analyze medicines, study bodily fluids, and understand the chemistry of life. He classified natural substances, animal, vegetable, mineral, laying a foundation for modern biology. Jabir's writings bridged mystical alchemy and evidence-based science, influencing both medicine and biology. When his books reached Europe, they transformed scientific practice, inspiring generations of experimenters. Jabir showed that real discovery comes from hands-on investigation, not just theory. His legacy, a new standard for scientific inquiry, and practical tools that shaped biology for centuries. The spirit of experimentation he championed still drives science today. Now let's explore the animal kingdom with Abdul Malik Asmai, one of the first Muslim zoologists. Living in 9th century Iraq, Asmai was a master observer, studying animals in their natural habitats. He wrote landmark books on camels, horses, and wild animals, detailed studies based on first-hand observation. Asmai's work corrected myths, focusing on what he could see and verify. He described animal anatomy, breeds, behaviors, and life cycles with scientific rigor. His books became the go-to sources on animals for centuries, shaping zoology and veterinary science. Asmai inspired others to study nature directly, embedding observation and documentation into biology. He proved that careful watching and recording could reveal the wonders of the natural world. His legacy, establishing zoology as a scientific discipline and encouraging a new generation of naturalists. Asmai's approach still echoes in how we study animals today. Abu Ali Sina, Avicenna, was a Persian polymath whose medical genius earned him the title Prince of Physicians. His masterpiece, The Canon of Medicine, was a 5-volume encyclopedia that organized all known medical and biological knowledge. Avicenna described thousands of medicinal plants, detailed human anatomy, and explained how diseases spread, anticipating germ theory centuries ahead of his time. He linked emotions to physical health, exploring the mind-body connection long before modern psychology. The Canon became Europe's standard medical textbook for over 6 centuries. Avicenna's systematic approach made medicine teachable and advanced clinical practice. He preserved ancient wisdom but also pushed science forward with new ideas and careful observation. His emphasis on diagnosis, evidence, and holistic health shaped both medicine and biology. Avicenna's work bridged cultures and eras, influencing science worldwide. His legacy, a foundation for modern medicine and a model for scientific inquiry. Jabir, Asmai, and Avicenna were part of a vast movement of discovery across the Muslim world. Al-Jahiz wrote about animal adaptation and food chains, early ideas of evolution and ecology. Ibn al-Nafis, in the 13th century, correctly described pulmonary circulation, overturning ancient misconceptions about the heart and blood. These scholars' collective work fueled the European Renaissance, introducing experimentation, observation, and classification to the West. Their books became essential texts, and their methods inspired scientists from Roger Bacon to Leonardo da Vinci. The scientific method, rooted in the Islamic Golden Age, became the backbone of modern science. Their discoveries in anatomy, botany, zoology, and medicine built the foundations for future breakthroughs. They showed that progress comes from questioning, testing, and sharing knowledge. The legacy of these Muslim scientists is woven into the fabric of modern biology. Their curiosity and dedication remind us, science is a global journey, connecting us all across time and culture.